So now, now let's proceed with our next topic, the Redux Thunk. So the Redux Thunk we already saw about middleware. The Redux Thunk is also a middleware. Okay, so this middleware actually returns a action creators. Uh, it allows you to. This is mostly used for delaying the dispatch of action, mostly for asynchronous functions where we have to wait for the response from the server. For that we use Redux Thunk, and this receives two parameters as inputs, dispatch and get state, okay, which can be used for calling the reducer when we receive the value from the server, or when we are ready with the value. So this, as you know, the middleware, all the middlewares will return a function instead of a action. Okay, so let's now implement Redux Thunk in our application. So as we were discussing, we wanted Redux Thunk. Okay, so the first thing what you need to do is you have to install Redux Thunk. For making use of Redux Thunk, you have to install Redux Thunk. Maybe you can give Redux Thunk. So I need to install we are making use of Redistan to implement the employees. Okay, we because if you see in the app.js, right, we have this state. This state we receive by from the server. The employees list we get from the server. This asynchronous activity. Now I want to make it through the Redistan. Okay. Now I have installed thing Redistan. Okay. So for implementing Redux Thunk, the first thing is you have to install Redux Thunk, that we have done. Then you have to add it in apply middleware in index.js. So first what you have to do is you just import the thunk, import thunk from Redux Thunk. Okay, and you add it as a middleware where we added logger, right? There you add this thunk also. Okay. Now I have added the thunk as a middleware. Now I can write the action asynchronously. Before we have to return synchronously. Here all we have returned all the actions synchronously, because this we can't delay it directly. Okay, this whenever set password is called, we are sending at that moment to the reducer. But in case of employees, we don't know the employees yet. We have to get it from the server, so we have to delay that passing to the reducer, because we can pass it to the reducer only when we have the employees, right? So what I will remove it here because I want to do it via the reducer Redux store. Okay, because I want to do it in actions. Once I receive the employees, I will send it to the reducer to add it to the state. Okay, so let me do it. Let me add actions in the reducer. For that, let me move to the action, and I'm going to write a asynchronous action. Okay, maybe a set employees. Here you have to return not the state, because I want to do it asynchronously, right? I want to return a function here. This function will get the dispatch from the redux trunk. As we saw, it will return a function instead of an action. Okay, this instead of when you use redux trunk, it will return a function with dispatch and get state. I am not interested in get state now. For this I don't want get state, so I just am putting dispatch. So dispatch will be called here. It will be inserted by the redux trunk here, and in app.js I can copy it, whatever code we had here, right? I can just copy it here. Maybe I can cut it and I can use it in the actions, and I have to import the Axios here. Maybe I will copy the code for Axios from here and paste it here. Now after I receive the employees, right, I need to dispatch the action. So you can see how using the redux trunk we are able to delay the action being called to the reducer, action triggering to the reducer, how we can delay it. So here I have to pass a action creator, not a action directly. So we can put something called constant set employees, set employee action. Here this should receive the employee. So this will receive the employee data, and this will return the this will receive the employee data from the dispatch. I will show you now. Maybe I can have the type as set employees, right? And payload as employees. What I received here, it can be employees here. So here I will dispatch this action creator, okay, with the value I received from this server call. It should be employees.data, right? Now you can see using redux trunk how I'm able to delay the calling of the action. Okay, so it receives two parameters as we saw, dispatch and get state. Okay, now I will for handling this set employees I can change the reducer for me. Okay, so now I will copy paste the same here, and I have to change the employees. So what I receive it from the, now the employees also I need to add, and what I receive it from the action.payload. Now this can also be removed here. The employees can also be removed here, and we can have it here, right? We can have it in the reducer. So I have created this the empty state, and state.employee equal to action.payload. Hope it should work now. Okay, now change there. Now you have to call the action there, right? Whenever this is, and maybe this also need to be imported from actions. Maybe set employees, not set employees action, set employees action. Okay, because set employee action should be called from by the dispatch, right? We can make this available to the props as well. and this set employees, you can call it here the props in component will mount. This dot props dot set employees, right? Just call this. We will see now. We are able to see the changes there. Now also I have to change the how it is rendered, right? Maybe this dot props dot employees, because then I also need to ask for the employee state, right? This also I have to add. Here also you add, here also you add. Now so these are no, I'm not interested in all this. This is for change altering the name and the employees. Now let's see whether it is working fine for us. So let's move on to the app. We are getting error here. Oh, sorry. Initial state in reducer. It should be like this, right? Okay, now is it working? Reducer action is not defined. It is actions.payload, right? Now it seems to work. Let's see whether we are getting the value. It is user.pass. User pass. Now we are also getting the values through the reducer. Okay, you can see that we are also getting the employees in the we have made the employees from the Redux store now. Okay, that state also we have moved to Redux store with the help of Redux Thunk. Okay, so this is about it. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Hope you understood Redux Thunk.